Hi everyone, my name is Blake VANDEVOORDE with Keystone RV. I'm the district sales manager for the Outback brand at Keystone RV, and we're standing in front of our new 244 UBH. It's a double over double bunkhouse, brand new, and I wanted to go over some exterior features that we're doing now. So new to the ultralight lineup, we added rear ladders and fully walkable roofs. So across the entire ultralight lineup, that is now a feature in 2021 models. In this floor plan, we also added a rear bike door, which gives you access into the double over double bunk room. That bottom bunk flips up, and then we also put in D-rings to allow you to have storage for bikes, kayaks, or anything that you need to bring along. We also included power stabilizing jacks, standard, outside kitchen with the upgraded aluminum countertop. Now we also have standard the Lippert solid steps for easy access into your trailer, as well as Lippert screenshot, which allows for the screen door to self-shut, meaning the kiddos can never leave the door open again. So standing inside the new 244 UBH, it's a great little floor plan with lots of features. We still utilize our MaxStore dinette with the Dream Dinette easy lift table mechanism, which allows for easy makeup into a secondary bed. We also took out all of the carpet in the bedroom and the slide outs, which makes cleanup much easier, especially for coming back to the beach. But not only that, Outback is also pet friendly. We still use our exclusive built-in pet kennel and added a new spot for the pet dishes. So standing next to the slide out, that's where we decided to put the TV because it allows for a greater viewing angle from not only the bunks, but also the kitchen table. Now, putting the TV on a swing arm also allowed us to put storage behind it. Also in the slide out box though, we were then able to put in a built-in pull-out trash bin, add more additional storage, as well as a bigger pantry. Now standard features also include the Low Pro Furrion range hood that gives you more cooking space, as well as a 22-inch oven. In the kitchen, we also use a residential style faucet, a deep stainless steel sink, as well as pressed countertops. Also standard in all ultralights is our 8 cubic foot refrigerator with the easy open handles and big freezer access. So remember, if you're looking for a luxury travel trailer with modern farmhouse interior, updated amenities, and luxury options, visit www.keystonerv.com or visit your local dealer.